Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Apple Watch, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you add a card to your Apple Watch? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a card to your Apple Watch? Well, that's pretty easy. The Apple Watch is an easy way to pay for things at the register when you are at places like Target, because they have the Apple Pay. They accept Apple Pay, so you don't necessarily need to pull out your credit card or your debit card to pay. You can easily just wave your watch at the terminal to pay. But how do you add a card into your Apple Watch? That's what we're going to talk about. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your home screen. I'm going to open mine now. Once you're here on the home screen, what you want to do is go ahead and search for the Apple Wallet, which is this colorful little circle thing here. I'm going to click there now. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my Apple Pay wallet, and as you can see, there are no credit cards attached to my Apple Pay wallet on my Apple Watch. And the reason for that is there's a couple of different steps you need to go through on the Apple app on your iPhone before you get access to your credit cards on your Apple Watch. So let me go ahead and switch on over to my iPhone. Okay, guys, so here we are on my iPhone. Once you're here on the iPhone, what you want to do is look for your Apple Watch app. It's this one that looks like a watch. All right, guys, so here I am on my iPhone. And once you're here on your iPhone, what you want to do is look for your Apple Watch app. It's this one that looks like a watch. I'm going to open my Apple Watch app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Apple Watch app. This is the home screen. It's going to give you a drop-down menu on a lot of different things to customize your Apple Watch. But if you'd like to add a card to your Apple Watch, what you want to do is scroll down until you get to your Apple Wallet. I'm going to scroll down now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and scrolled down, and as you can see, this is what you want to look for, Wallet and Apple Pay. It has this wallet icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. And the nice thing about the Apple Watch app, it's going to prompt you before you make any decisions about adding a card to your Apple Watch. So you can add a new card by clicking on this button, or you can add a card that's already in your Apple Wallet on your iPhone right here. But in order to do that, you do need to add a passcode onto your Apple Watch, because it will not let you proceed if you try either one of these options. So for example, if I want to add my Citi card into my Apple Watch by clicking this orange add button, it's going to give me an error. Let me click on there and show you. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there, and as you can see, it does stop you. Like I said, it says that Apple Pay requires a passcode on your Apple Watch in order to add a card. So you can go ahead and simply go through this link right here, set up passcode. I'm going to click there now. Okay, it automatically brings you to the passcode screen for your Apple Watch. And if you'd like to add a card to your Apple Watch, you do need to click this orange button, turn on passcode. I'm going to click there now. Okay, once I click there, then my watch is asking me to choose a passcode. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a passcode now. Okay, I typed in my passcode. I'm going to type it in one more time to confirm. Okay, just a few seconds later, this pops up, and as you can see, I have the option now to turn off passcode because I have a passcode on my Apple Watch. Now we can go ahead and add a card into my Apple Watch. So let me go ahead and click back. Okay, I click back, and then what you want to do is follow those same steps, go into the Wallet and Apple Pay section of the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. I'm going to click here now. Okay, guys, here we are back on the same screen. So now that I have a passcode on my Apple Watch, you see that my Apple Cash is attached to my Apple Watch now. And then also I can go ahead and add a card into my Apple Watch by either clicking on this button if I want to add a new card, or I can simply add a card that's already on my Apple Wallet on my iPhone, as you can see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do both options and show you what that looks like. First, I'm going to go ahead and simply add in my Citi card by clicking this add button right here, this orange button. I'm going to click there now. All right, next, the Apple Watch app is prompting me to enter in my passcode into my Apple Watch in order to add that card. And as you can see, the passcode screen automatically popped up. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my passcode off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered my passcode. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to do the same thing and click this add button right here. Okay, next, the Apple Watch app is asking me to verify the 3-digit security code from the back of my credit card in order to proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen now. Okay, enter that information. I'm going to click this orange next button here. Okay, so the terms and conditions pops up. So go ahead and read through that. If you agree to it, click this orange agree button down here on the bottom right. Okay, just a few seconds later, this screen pops up. And as you can see, my Citi card has now been added into my Apple Watch. But if you want to add a new card into your Apple Watch, you can also click this orange button right here, add card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up. It gives you a little bit of information about Apple Pay. Go ahead and click this orange continue button. Next, you can go ahead and choose what type of card you're going to be adding. So this is a credit card, so I'm going to choose this top line. All right, next the screen pops up where you can go ahead and take an image of your credit card you're going to be adding to your Apple Watch. Or you can do what I do and just enter the card details manually down here by clicking this button. Okay, so this is basically the same process as adding a card into your Apple Pay wallet. It's asking for the card number. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, I entered the required information. I'm going to click this orange next button up here on the top right. All right, next they're asking for the expiration date and security code. I'm going to enter that in off screen. All right, I went ahead and entered that information. I'm going to click the same next button here. All right, next you're going to see the terms and conditions. Go ahead and scroll through and read that. And then when you're finished, click the agree button here on the bottom right. Okay, now my bank is asking to verify the card either through a text message or email. Depending on which type of bank you bank with, it may be a different kind of verification. For me, I'm going to use the text message verification right here that I've chosen. I'm going to click this next button. Okay, now Apple Pay is asking for the verification code that was text messaged to me, so I'm going to enter that information in here. Okay, next this pops up, so it looks like my card has now been added into my Apple Watch, and I get the option to choose it as a default card if I wish to do so. I'm going to go ahead and click Not Now right here. Okay, now as you can see, my Chase card has been added into my Apple Watch as a payment method. Let me go ahead and switch on over to my Apple Watch now. Okay guys, here I am back here on my Apple Watch. Now, if you want to do the same thing, just scroll over to your Apple Pay wallet. It's this colorful little thing right here. Okay guys, now as you can see inside of my Apple Watch, it now has my credit card available. If I want to pay at the register, I'll just bring my watch close to the register and then go ahead and double click this button down here, which is this little oval looking button, 2 times in order to pay. So there you have it guys, that's the easiest way I know how to add a card into your Apple Watch. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.